Hey everyone, Coach Investor back to another Palantir video for today. So in today's video again we're going to talk about why I believe Palantir is a must-have for your long-term portfolio because, well, data is obviously king. There's more data today than there was 10 years ago. Actually, almost 10 years ago, IBM said that 90% of the data in the world was created in the last 2 years. So 2 years, 2010 to 2012. Now, almost 10 years later, there's obviously way more data being created, being analyzed, being collected. Now, if there's so much data coming from every direction, it's probably going to be super difficult for a company, for a government to collect all that data, to analyze and to make something valuable out of it. Think of it of being given a puzzle with a million pieces and then being told, put it together. And that's exactly when Palantir comes in. You need the tools, they bring you the tools. Again, they're not replacing really humans, they're just giving humans the tools to better collect and analyze the data and make something valuable out of it. Now I know a lot of people will probably say, yes, but Palantir is overvalued, super expensive, they're not yet profitable, blah, blah, blah. And that might well be true, but Palantir is growing and growing fast. They're projected to grow 30% each and every year for the next 4 years. I think they're being pretty conservative, but we're going to talk about that a bit later. And yes, they're still, let's say, small-ish if you think about this. Right now, Palantir's customer base is concentrated with just 149 customers, the top 20 of whom have contributed almost half of the $1.2 billion in revenue in 2020. So yes, you are paying a premium, but in my opinion, it's a premium worth paying for. Now, before I continue with this video, I just want to thank everyone that has been subscribing lately. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel and you like it, maybe hit that subscribe button. And if you like these videos, leave an early thumbs up as it really helps me out grow the channel and get my videos out there. I would also like to thank the Motley for sponsoring this video. Again, these are my views and my views only. The Motley is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You guys know I love finding new investing tools and resources to help me find the latest growth stock and innovative company. And right now I have a discount for one of my favorite services, the full offers. Through the Motley Fool's stock advisor service, you get access to a ton of expert stock picks. Every month you'll get 2 picks that are aimed at growing your wealth and to help you realize your financial goals. Stock Advisor's average stock picks have returned over 500%. If growing your money is something you'd like to do more this year, you can visit www.fool.com/couchinvestor or click on the link below for access to my special offer and decide if Stock Advisor is right for you. Now let's dive into this. Alright, so right now Palantir's business, really the revenue stream, really comes from that government side. Most of the contracts, I have a feeling every week there's a new contract being announced, comes from government bodies, which is good, which is actually great because that makes you build up your reputation. And obviously we're going to see the Foundry side of the business grow each and every year as well as they expand that business. Now, if you want to look at some contracts that have announced recently, we have $111 million from the US Special Operations Command, $33 million from the US Space Force, $90 million from the National Nuclear Safety Administration, and a potential $250 million contract from the US Army. They've obviously signed lots of other contracts, but I'm not going to name all of them, but I will talk a little bit on this one right here. Palantir wins FAA contract to oversee Boeing 737 MAX fleet return. That new contract is to provide data analytics tool for aircraft certification. Now, if you don't know, the Boeing 737 MAX is the one with all the issues. So if Palantir manages to successfully return that fleet to normal service, that might boost their image as a company, that might help airlines operate much better. But it doesn't stop here. Obviously, Palantir caters to lots and lots of other industries out there, such as pharmaceutical companies that are using Palantir to help them find new drugs. Bankers and insurers turn to Palantir to detect laundering and fraud. Automotive manufacturers are using Palantir to trace quality defects to their origin in the factory. And then you can already imagine all the other industries where Palantir can help those companies, can help those industries better manage their business, better perform, maybe grow their business even more. So you can see why a lot of people are bullish on Palantir and are willing to pay a premium for a company that is not profitable right now. But as Palantir grows, and look at these numbers right here, the revenue will begin to expand faster than its expenses, fattening its profits. Now in Q1 2021, 49% year-over-year revenue growth helped to push adjusted operating income, obviously from last year's $16 million loss to a $117 million gain. It also posted $151 million in free cash flow in Q1, and Palantir is expected to be profitable this year for the very first time. And like I said at the start of this video, management is expecting the business to grow 30% for the next 4 years. I think it's going to be probably more than that, because right now the private sector is really untapped and the government contracts are coming in very, very fast. So once they get into the private sector, once Foundry gets some traction, you can expect that growth to be at least 30%, but don't take my word for it. We're gonna have to wait and see. I'm pretty bullish on Palantir. Are you bullish on Palantir? Let me know down in the comments below. And that will be it for this video. If you liked it, consider leaving a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe hit that subscribe button. As always guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.